Hi, Mark Reedy here. I'm going to try to show you real quickly how to use the new additional lube service items feature. So you'll see here we have a new button called More on the lube service tab, and I'm going to click on that. And you'll see we've got additional items that can be added here, and you can also check the original items, the default items up here at the top if you want to just use this form when checking your items. Now, I'm going to go and grab a new lube service. I'm going to create a new one here. And I'm not going to put anything else in here. I'm just going to click on More. And you can see what it did was it grabbed the last lube service with the exact same lube service type for this piece of equipment and populated it with that same list. Now, if I wanted to grab a list of information from a different lube service, what I can do is I can just, or if I wanted to append this list with something extra, what I can do is go ahead and I'm going to click on Import Items from Existing Lube Service. I open that up, and we can see here we have other lube services that have items that have been attached to them, additional items. So this one here has the fifth wheel grease. So if I wanted to bring any additional items into this list here with this item here, I can click on Import and Close. Now before I do that, I'm going to show you also, you can filter this list, as this list will grow and be large as you add lube services, more items to lube services. It's just going to start showing you every single piece of equipment and lube service type that has additional items. So if you want to filter this and just show specific items or lube services with items, you can change this to just by equipment number, so you can see everything for a specific equipment number, or you can choose every lube service type that is a specific type. So if I look at the engine oil change, you can see those there, or if I wanted to see everything for a specific equipment type, I can choose that there. All right, so that's going to show me that. So let me go back and just do the show all. And so I wanted to grab this one here that has the fifth wheel grease on it. And let's see here, I think that's the only additional item. So I'm going to click Import and Close. We can see that's been added here. All right, so then you can, now on the drop-down list here, as you're adding items, if you want to just add items manually, if you haven't created a list yet or a previous lube service with stuff in it, you can type in something new here. So I'm going to go ahead and put something, I'm just going to write test for now because I can't think of anything off the top of my head. And then if I wanted to add that word test to my drop-down list, I'm going to click on this little plus symbol here. It asked me if I want to add it, and now it's been added. So now in the future, I can click on the drop-down. You can see test is available. So all the items that have been added to the drop-down are available here. And then we can edit that over in the drop-down list maintenance like other drop-down list maintenance items. All right, and then you can just go through the list and choose what was checked. And then you're going to go ahead and I can add these items here, and then click Close. And then if you want to edit the drop-down list, you go over here to Forms, drop-down list maintenance, and you go to Lube Service Additional Item Names. Click on that, and you click on each item, and then if you made a mistake in a typo or something, you can edit that here. And you can also add items from here. If I just wanted to start adding stuff here, I could do that and just populate the list with all the drop-down items I want to have. All right, so hopefully that's helpful for you, and thanks a lot for watching. Have a good one. Take care.